Welcome to this review of the ZOYI R01 Thermal Imager and Multimeter 2-in-1, available now on AliExpress. This innovative device combines a high-precision digital multimeter with a smart infrared thermal imaging system, making it an essential tool for electricians, technicians, and maintenance professionals. The thermal imaging feature uses a dual light fusion display of infrared and natural light, with adjustable fusion levels for accurate visualization. It measures 3 temperature points simultaneously: the highest temperature, the lowest temperature, and the center point, allowing you to precisely monitor every variation. The multimeter includes a 2.4-inch TFT color screen, a 32 by 32 infrared resolution, and supports a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius or 2%. It offers 4 color palettes for better thermal analysis and a 25,000 count 4.5-digit display for electrical measurements. This versatile tool is ideal for underfloor heating checks, leakage detection, power inspection, electronic maintenance, and industrial temperature measurement. It supports photo and video recording, and firmware can be upgraded via computer for improved performance. Powered by a built-in 1,500 mAh lithium battery, it uses a Type-C charging port for fast and convenient charging. If you need a professional-grade thermal imaging multimeter that combines precision, durability, and advanced features, the ZOYI R01 is the perfect choice.